Hello and welcome back to Pine City Apiary. I'm Paul. Today we're going to be making sugar cake. Now I've already put my first batch out on the hives, and since I've used it all, I need to make some more. So let's do this. Alright, so this calls for 5 cups of sugar and a half a cup of water. Now in the water I'm actually using a 2-to-1 sugar syrup, so it's a little thicker than water. And in that mixture I also included wintergreen oil and tea tree oil. So we'll start off by putting the sugar in. And then after the sugar, we'll add the water. And we let this mix for about 5 minutes or so. Alright, so after about 5 minutes, we're going to want to turn it off. We want to dump it on this baking sheet, and I put a wax paper sheet over that so the sugar will release from the pan. You see it's kind of got the consistency of a wet sand right now. Alright, so we're going to want to spread this out. We're just kind of compressing it down. Then I'm going to divide it into proportions. That way it is, once it's dried, it's easier to break off. Next we want to bake it. To bake it, we put it in the oven with the temperature at 0 and turn the oven light on. And we push the oven light. Oven light's on. And now this will sit in here overnight and a good portion of tomorrow. I will turn it so that entire tray is as close to the light bulb as possible. Just over a day or so, it'll be ready to give to the bees. Alright, that's it. That's pretty simple, pretty easy. Well, that's about it. Not much to it. It's pretty easy. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up are super cool, and you too can be super cool if you give me one. Do you know what else is super cool? You got it. Subscriptions. That's right. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you have, thank you very much. It really means a lot to me. If you haven't, well, why not take the time right now to go down and click the red button and subscribe? Do it now before the holiday rush. Alright, well, as always, thank you very much for watching and have a great day.